Hello friend, today in this video I'm gonna show you how to create user account in Windows 7. For creating this user account, go to the control panel from start menu. Here you can see this is a control panel where lots of applets are available. In control panel, click administrative tools. In administrative tools, click computer management. Here expand local users and group. Here you can see user folder and groups folder. For creating user account, right click on users folder, click new user, type the name of user. Suppose I'm going to create a username Ibrahim. If you want to type full name of user, you can type it, and also want to write some description about user, you can write it. Type the password 12345, whatever password you want to put, and uncheck all option available here. These options are not necessary for a local user account. Basically these options are useful for domain infrastructure. As you can see here, if we enable first option, which is user must change password at next logon, it means user will be asked to change his password at first logon. User cannot change password, it means user cannot change password if this option is enabled. Third option is password never expired. It means by default password will expire after 45 days. Within the 45 days, if this option is enabled, password will never expire. If enable account is disabled, it means account would be inactive. In that case, user cannot log on to computer. So I'm going to click create button. Here you can see I have created a user account with the name of Ibrahim. This user is a standard user. A standard user means this user can only work on application. It cannot change any computer level configuration because this user don't have permission. Although this user can configure its own environment, it can change its desktop, its documents and setting, but it cannot uninstall any kinds of application from the computer, because all the application for installing any application, there is a requirement of administrative credential. If you want this user to administrator, or if you want to provide some rights, we have to add this user to groups. For adding any user to group, click on groups. Here you can see default groups with specific permission. For making any user to administrator, you will have to add that user in administrative groups. Click here, click add button, type the name of user. Here I have added Ibrahim to administrators group. Now this user has become administrator, so this user can do anything on computer, can uninstall application. So in this way you can create user account and also can assign permission if user is required. That's it for this video, and that's it in this video. If you want to watch more and more interesting video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.